Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to increase the volume on a speaker Denon Home 150. Basically, you have three options how to do it. The first one is to use touch button, what located on the bottom right here. The second option is to use your phone. You have physical button, so you can do it right here on the top. And the last one options is to use a slider in application. So you should move in right to increase your volume. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leaving the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!